Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Solangie, and as promised, here is the finest Punta Cana room tour.
Did you ever wonder, do you ever wonder what he might be going through on his own end? The demons that he's facing alone, I hate that sometimes I can't go home and it just ain't the same on the phone, no. But everybody's gotta go, don't they? Yes, we do. So if you need a hero, just look in the mirror. No one's gonna save you now, so you better save yourself. And everybody.
So as you all know, the rooms all have this opening here where you put your food and they pick it up. Everybody knows, if you've watched, I'm pretty sure by now you guys watched multiple videos of this resort and everybody talk about this door. Let's move on to the good part. Now to our walk-in closet. It turns on when you walk in. It's pretty spacious. I didn't use much of it, but my boyfriend did, as you can see. I just put my coat there and, you know, the typical safe.
Yeah, I gotta hang on.
Have a lot of sections on here for your sneakers or your clothes, whatever you see fit. And yeah.
Don't you give up. The sun will come out. But we've been struck and let's someday we'll find love. 'Cause after the storms, when the flowers bloom.
So before I continue on with this tour, a quick disclaimer. We have already used and abused this room, okay? Everything's been used. We've been here for a few days, so don't judge us, okay? So over here is the AC and the do not disturb sign, and then this one is to let the people know that you can come in and clean. And then outside, it reflects like is another one of these, just halfway, and it shows like yes, you can come in, or no, you cannot come in. So now over here is this huge mirror. Then they have the small one for you to do your makeup. Moving right along to the bathroom. Again with the his and her sinks. Another huge mirror. Then, you know, they have the toilet right in here, separated from the shower. And then we have the shower here with the rain shower head. And then if you want to use the handheld shower as well. Moving right along, this is a king size bed. It's huge. Then we have one TV on this side for when, you know, we're laying down on the bed. And again, another area to do your AC. You press it here to turn it on, turn it off, and then adjust the temperatures. And then right here are the different lights fixtures. So here for the lamp, and then I believe this one is for everything, so it literally turns on everything in the room. This light is for the light in the bathroom. You won't be able to see it, but it's for the light in the bathroom. And then this one here is to turn off everything. So one of the cool things that this room has is a sliding door. So it doesn't slide all the way, but just enough to cover the bed. Just in case if you wake up earlier than your partner or your friend, you can just hang out at the living room area and not, you know, turn on the open the blinds and not have to disturb the person who's sleeping. That's what I'm assuming that's for, or it's just an aesthetic, you know, a vibe. Let's walk to the bar area. So like I said, this room has been used and abused, and so has been the liquor. Okay, so they gave us 3 different types of liquor. Absolute vodka, we have some Jack Daniels, and then we have some Barcelo Añejo, really good. And yeah, we're more of dark liquor people, so we've been drinking mostly the dark liquor. I'm gonna find out and let you guys know if you're allowed to take these bottles home after you open it. I don't see why not. Apparently they charge you. That's what I heard in another video, but I'm gonna double check and find out and then put it in the video. So, yeah. But if they don't charge us, then these are coming home with us to New York, okay? Now down here is your typical coffee station. You know, they have the coffee maker. They have the K-cups here. And then they have the tea here if you're more of a tea person. You can see that. Then in here is your usual knickknacks in the fridge. So they put some Presidente, some Heineken. That one is Presidente but light. And that's Coors Light, I believe. And then, you know, the juices, water, Coca-Cola, Fanta, and yeah. Also, they had snacks, but we ate them all. So they had cookies, Oreos, granola bars, and things like that. We ate it all. So, and they usually come here every morning, or when you're not in your room, obviously, to replenish the refrigerator. Sometimes they do it in the morning, sometimes they don't. But they're pretty good for the most part. So next to the bar is another huge TV. It has your typical channels, CBS, TNT, you know, things like that. They have some Spanish channels, of course. And then they have hotel information, the weather. You can add your flight status if you want to do that. And it says apps here, but what they really mean is to download the app in order for you to know what's going on, the amenities around the resort. So, but I'll talk more about that a little later as far as the app is concerned. On this side is the living room. It was my birthday, so I got a cake. Whoop, I dropped it. So I got a cake. The cake was cute, it was cool. It was my birthday yesterday, so wish me a happy birthday in the comments. Thank you. So yeah, so they brought me a cute little cake, and this is our couch. comfortable. We fell asleep on this couch a couple times, let me tell you. So let's go with the first best feature of this hotel or the room, right? Is the jacuzzi area. This jacuzzi area the water gets hot, you guys, but it's so stinking comfortable. You have to, usual thing, you turn on the hot and the cold right here, and then the button to your far right is the bubbles. The one in the middle doesn't do anything, but yeah, it gets really, really hot. And last but not least, the second best feature. Well, I would say this is the first and the jacuzzi was the second, but yes, now you know that in Cancun, we loved our private pool, and now the bar is set high, and that's what we're looking for, like, all the time, okay? This is our balcony / private pool.
Spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to go. You're the only one I want by my side, when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's hard, but we need each other. No, it's hard, but we need each other. So waiting for you to go. You're the only one I want by my side, when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's hard, but we need each other. No, it's hard, but we need each other. Back and forth, I'll take it if that's all you ask for. With my legs up on the dashboard. Only thing in my pocket is my passport.
So it comes with a lounge bed right here, and two seating areas with a table. It also comes with another lounge bed, which is right here. And this right here is our private pool with a hammock. I'm not gonna get all the way in, but it's pretty warm and nice. I believe it's up to like waist length, and yeah. I forgot to mention that you are allowed to go to the other side of the hammock to swim with the rest of the people who also booked the junior swim up suite. That side is a little bit deeper. I'm about 5'3.5", 5'4" for reference, and it covered up to my chest area, I believe. You're allowed to swim past the other rooms. We did not, because we didn't want to invade other people's privacy. But of course, not everyone thinks that way, so you may see people swim past your room. It didn't happen to us as much during our stay, but that is something that you need to keep in mind. And obviously, no one else is allowed to swim in your private pool area, even though they can easily do so. So if I were you, I would not leave any valuables outside, just in case. And also make sure that your sliding doors are locked when you're not in the room. Even if you are in the room, or if you're solo tripping, you never know. So just make sure you're careful, because, you never know. So just keep that in mind. Okay, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed this room tour at the finest Punta Cana resort. I hope you guys book this room. It's amazing, it's relaxing, it's giving. And yeah, if you made it this far into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to join the family. Trust that you will love it here. Later, loves.
So